How a child feels in a candy shop, the joy, the happiness. I felt that every time I was in a bookstore. I used to wonder how writers weaved you in and pulled you in into their minds, sharing so much knowledge and wisdom through their life and their experiences. And today, I am so happy and elated to share with you my debut book, Emotional Hiccups. And it's on the shelves now for you. So grab onto your copy now.